Go ahead, take a break.
Good. I don't know what to say, guys. Maybe good morning, good afternoon, or whatever. Thank you for joining me on my lunch break. So I just finished my lunch, guys. So we're in the store trying to buy a like a conditioner, guys. So anyway, Christmas is coming. Yan yung mga tinda nila, yung mga toys. So they don't put toy stuff yet. Hold on, guys, somebody's calling. So I need to buy ano nga pala, yung Cetaphil sa Costco is on sale, guys, but here it's not on sale. And no, that one is $15. Pero sa Costco ako bibili because I think Costco have sale, because my skin is kind of like messed up right now, guys, because of the hot weather. See, look, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's kind of like red. So ito nga pala yung lunch box ko. I just finished lunch. So right now we're going to thrift store. I didn't know that there's a thrift store here. I've been working here like for almost 10 years, so I didn't know that there's a thrift store here. Let me just put my stuff. Lagay ko muna itong lunch box ko sa kotse. So by the way, I have 10 more minutes. So anyway, let's go to Safeway. They have a new machine, guys, the Lotto Machine. It's kind of like a big iPod because it's touchscreen now. Before it was like push button, now you can touch screen. So let me just go to Safeway and play lottery. So I don't know when I'm gonna win the lottery, so hopefully like right now. Let's see. So here nga pa, you don't need to wear mask. So it's up to you, guys. Pero dun sa work namin, nagwe-wear pa rin kami ng mask. Punta tayo ng Safeway. Damn, look, they're selling this pumpkins because Halloween is coming. See, they got all the pumpkins. Oh my god, look at this, guys. That is disgusting. And they have all small pumpkins in here. Sa ibang pumpkin. Oh my god, ang daming pumpkin, guys. Look. Oh, somebody's playing the lottery. Let's wait. So this one is a look, it's a touchscreen one. See, did you see that? So you just pick whatever you want. But I'm not going to buy that one, guys. So yeah, so there's Power, Super, and Mega. So maybe we're gonna pick. Oh, here. Dito pala. So these are the choices, guys. Power, Super, and Mega. So maybe I will buy Fantasy because it's only $1. So it says I have to pick my own number. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pick just random numbers. So add play, and then yeah. Huh? Hold on. Let me start over again. So you have to press this one, and then I'll do quick pick. The purchase. So there you go. And then the ticket there. And then I'm gonna do another one, super. Maybe I have to put money first. Okay, yeah, you have to put money first so the thing will lit up. So this one is for quick pick. I don't have my own number, so I need to do quick pick. And then the ticket. Okay, so that is the new Lotto Machine, guys. So it's like a big iPod. So let me just take a picture, guys. There. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to what do you call it? The Thrift store, guys. So it's gonna be across the street. So I don't know if they're still open. Let me see. So by the way, I only have 5 minutes left, guys. Okay, let me see. A lot of business closed because of the pandemic. So this was Panera before, guys. They closed. Let's see. So guys, the Thrift store is across the street. Let me see. Yeah, so maybe we're not gonna go this time, guys, because my break is almost over. So the Thrift store, oh sorry guys, we will go there next time because I only have like few minutes left on my lunch break, and maybe on a winter, so not right now. So we're going back. So balik na tayo, guys. So I only have, okay, I'm over. So balik na tayo, guys, sa work. I wish uwi na ako ngayon. Let me show you the pumpkin, guys, one more time. So look at the pumpkin. These are the pumpkin. Oh my god, look at that. It's gross. And then they have this white, the small ones. OMG, look at that. There's like a monkey fox on the pumpkin. Yeah. Oh my god, look. So gross, guys. Yeah. So Halloween is just around the corner, guys. Look at this. Watermelon, $4.99. Right there. And then honeydew, $4.99. Okay, guys. Alright guys, so thank you for watching my channel. My break is over and I need to go back to work. Bye.